banta nga kuan, gihatod niya, gihatag lang niya kay Ludwig, kaya lang di siya kaabot. Pero nag-confirm ba siya nga mo ani? Kaya lang nagsakit iyang tulo ka anak, ilang tam daw. So, watay mahimo.
Bana, in short.
Di man mo tugot yung bana mga pabilin, so wag ito mahimo anak. And then, Helen Ponevida! Karin!
Helen Ponevida pa rin.
Heidi Mariari Morales!
Andrea.
Ha?
Andrea Dota.
Heidi Andrea. Andrea. Hindi nakalagay dun sa
Alam mo nga,
Heidi Andrea. And then, si Annie, si Vinagracia,
Wala lang ito. Ilaw lang din, kay local lang din.
Hilda Sunanan Del Mar.
Where are you? I don't.
Mana si Meg? Si Cynthia. Lena no? Siyempre ako. Introduce naman ko kayo. Kaway, pagtugay-tugay, tugtagan nato ang atong kalingawan.
Rapon? Bisaya. Rapon. Rapon.
Kaya na Rapon.
Ang taon-taon sa...
Nag-start naman tayo mga messages. We will have another message coming from Chito, who was the first one to confirm to attend this reunion. But he forgot something. Siguro sa edad, nakalimot siya na birthday niya siyang anak today. So, this is the first time that they're going to celebrate the birthday of his son ever. So, even if he wants to come, nakapalit na mo siyang ticket. He booked his ticket the earliest, last August pa. And it dawned on him only a month ago that it's going to be the celebration of his son pala birthday. So we wanted him around because we miss him. We know we love Chito, and Chito also loves us. Guys, are you ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Ready to go! So we will have the Handa Awit. Handa Awit. And there are also our new discoveries, no? The Singing Lovebirds.
Wow.
Singing Lovebirds. We have an a cappella number by no other than the new but old pair.
Dili na kapila eh.
Adila Capella. Let's all welcome Percy Prociano and Annie Ulina Gracia Singh.
Lagi siya kabalo kung wala.
Bapak, para di na sila kakakuha. Dili. So, today is our 36th reunion.
4 years from now.
So, in 4 years, this time, it will be the major sponsor. Next time pala.
Free water.
So now,
Free water.
are you ready for Annie and Percy? Hello.
Pero kaiwan daw volume diha.
Volume ko ng volume.
Wala man hindi makita eh.
Kay Erin.
Halag wal limog, basta makita lang ito.
Wala to ang kuan kana. Ayan. I-ano yung picture. Ihata lang sa kamay kay Percy. Hindi, ginamit naman ang mic sa
Inaya na
phone.
po na mo para ako sa vlog.
Facing mo diri sa bit, ano? Kamuan. Ala, wala na ko, ano?
Yung director.
Somewhere out there, beneath the pale moonlight, someone's thinking of me and loving me tonight.
Somewhere out there, someone saying a prayer that we'll find one another, that be somewhere out there. And even though I know how very far apart we are, it helps to think we might be wishing on the same bright star.
In the night, it starts to sing a lonesome lullaby. It helps to think we're sleeping underneath the same big sky. Somewhere out there, love can see us through. We'll be together somewhere out there,
Out where dreams come true.
Magsulisuray ko mga ito. Ano ba? Bakit?
Wala na itong kisa. Wala pa, sige, sa'yo pa. And even though I know how very far apart we are, it helps to think we might be wishing on the same bright star.
In the night, we start to sing a lonesome lullaby. It helps to think we're sleeping underneath the same big sky.
Somewhere out somewhere out there, out where dreams come true.
Uy, thank you very much. Palakpakan, kahit gusto ko. Sige, lalim. Sabi lang, ipasayang si Aning sa yung tuyo. But we wanted more. Diba? Gusto na ako, suloy-suloy, shake-shake, kiki-kiki. Ano ba? Ganyan na lang. So, thank you very much, Annie. And Percy for sharing us your talent with us. Pangat sa nagot na kita-kita. And, of course, salamat kayo kay Game kay si Percy ba? Diba? Lapakan! Lapakan! And now we will have the most awaited part of our program. Actually, this is the meat. Now take note because it took us weeks to have this. One of those lang. One of those. So this is just a patikim, a teaser to the main video, MTV, no, that we have produced for our reunion, especially for our reunion tonight.